Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on to do a layout to play along with the Not Just for Boys Kit Club, and I am using the most gorgeous page kit by Meredith Twilling. It is called Sunshiny Day. It's for June 2023, in case you're watching this in the future. And there's all of these great, bright, summery, retro kind of vibes going on. I also have the Essentials kit, and I will be using a title from the foam stickers. I think they're amazing. And guys, I know, this is not the right way to look at this. Look at these little acrylic lemons. So super cute. I mean, I've got other goodies in here, like the world's most beautiful sequin mix. I've got things. So I'm just gonna see where it takes us. Now, I'm gonna get a little crazy and use a white background. That's not my thing normally, but I totally want to play up this stencil and have a little fun with it. And I'm also planning on double matting my layout. I love all of the colors on this piece here, so I thought I would do a bit of a matte with that and then a skinnier matte with this. So this piece right here, it is called Retro Summer Break by Simple Stories. It's a nice thick matte with that. So I think I can cut this 11 by 11, the white, matte it with this, and then a nice thinner matte with this Pink Fresh Spring Vibes and Perfect Day. Awesome. I've got this photo here, and this is what made me think to use this photo. They're both dressed in a bit of a retro kind of vibe. She's got like that late 70s kind of burnt sienna brown on, and he's got a cute shirt with like little palm trees on it, and I thought that would be cute. They're hanging out. It's summertime. It's all good. So let me get this popped on there, and then I want to do a little something with some stencil work. So let me see. I think I'm going to put my photo on this side for a change and then have the rays go off. This is going to be fun. Okay, let me do a tiny bit of busy work. I'll be right back. So wish me luck, because we're just going to go with it. I have this Distress Oxide and Fossilized Amber, which is gorgeous. And I want to line this up-ish. Now, my goal is to not have these hard lines show. I just want it to diffuse as it goes out. So I'll start much stronger pressure and then light. And we get the suggestion that it keeps going. I might do a little really thin pencil work also, which will help that suggestion to keep going. But I think this is downright fun. How fun is that? So pressure gets lighter and lighter. Strong by the sun, and then diffuse. Same thing. We're going to keep going until the sun's pretty much filled in. So that is my stencil work. So I wanted to bring the rays out just a little bit more than the stencil allowed. So see how it's there? I just dragged it out a little bit and did really light Distress Oxides coming out. And I just followed the lines, and it totally works perfectly fine. As for the pencil work, I'm going to just grab a little mechanical pencil and do some, Actually, I have to clean my stencil to show you. So I'm going to go once again, I'm going to go along there and just do really clean lines once I give this a little zhuzh. Okay, that just needs a little zhuzh. Let me get that glare out of the way. Sorry, guys. So we will go and see where our little lines start. So right about there. I'm just going to go rather lightly and kind of show off a little bit of these rays in the beginning. Nothing dramatic about it. Just have a little fun with it. Almost done. I know it's a little boring to watch. And this is not a perfect thing, guys. And again, I don't really do perfect things. Let's see, we need one there. One there. And I'm not going the entire way with the stencil. I'm only going up a little bit. And that's making it way, more dramatic of pencil lines. Now, if you feel like you did too much, just erase them a little bit. It's fine. All right, I need to matte this in white, probably in some kind of a bright color, and then start picking out all of my embellishments. So the next thing I'm gonna do is cut out a bunch of these pieces that are gorgeous, that are all around my mat, and I'm going to have them start staggering down, and I'm gonna mix them in with a bunch of the cute embellishments. We have all of these from the Bits and Pieces. Super cute. And then, what else do we have? What else? Oh, I have my title. That So Cool might be it. Will we do So Cool? So Cool or Happy Days? We're gonna see. Once we have these pieces down, I wanna tuck in my lemons, see if I wanna use any acrylics. So, in the short term, let me cut out some of these cool pieces. I've gone ahead, I matted my photo with some of this pink fresh paper that you see in my second mat, my secondary mat. I don't know, the mat that's like 12 by 12. And because it's kind of funky, and we've got the yellow and we've got the pink, and it's super cute. For my foam pieces, I picked out So Cool, this little heart and some sunglasses, and then lots of the cute bits and pieces. Oh, and I have a nice little configuration of these little, I'm looking at them like tickets, but they're kind of creating part of a background for me. So I need to painstakingly, oh no, my foamy bits are sticking. I need to painstakingly arrange them, make them look cute, and then stack everything up right on top of them. So give me a second to have fun doing that. And really, we're just gonna come back and finish this, maybe a couple sequins, a couple acrylic lemons, and we'll be done. So I've been layering and layering and layering all of the things, and now I'm happy. And I'm looking at this and I'm like, do I want something over here? My answer actually is no, I don't, which I'm pretty excited about. I might extend my rays out just a little bit, but nope, that's how it's gonna be. So I'm going to get some of these lemons on because I think they are the bee's knees. And I've got these sticky dots that I thought would be my best bet. Oh my gosh, guys, how cute is that if I do the lemon? I don't have any full-size lemons. Oh my gosh. I'm looking at it, they're almost the exact size, literally, on this lemonade. Who knew? Oh, that totally looks like a face. So should I do that? Probably not. That's super cute, but oh, maybe. Super cute. So I'm just gonna get 3 of the lemons on. I want to, like I said, maybe extend my rays just a little bit. And then guys, this layout, I just organically figure out where they might line up. And yeah, and this one's gonna be done. So just give me a second to do that. Maybe a couple of the sequins. Where is our sequin mix? Here it is. That goes with this kit. It's not in the kit, but it's in the a la carte section. And it's cute. There's flamingos involved. I don't know if the flamingos are going on this layout because they weren't at the beach. They were, you know, doing summer things, but I think it's super cute. And then, oh, I wish that was just a little longer right there. I have one there, have one there. Don't want one there because it's messing up my title vibe. I might, oh yeah. Guys, I just put the sticky thing on the wrong side of the lemon. Okay, I'm going to do those couple little chores and I'll be right back. All right, so I extended my lines a little bit, popped on a couple of sequins, and my friends, that is this layout done. I think it was so fun. I love these big giant pieces. Then they also had these little ones in the retro summer, the 50-piece set of, well, they're called Bits and Pieces, but super cute, super fun, light, happy, but still has lots of patterns and things going on. So I'm gonna have all the links down below, you know, over the website, the Kit Club website, the Facebook group, the blog, all that kind of stuff, and still shots to follow. And I think that's it, guys. So I'm gonna see you guys ever so soon with another video. And yeah, that's it for now, friends. Bye, guys.